Whether you're new to Washoe County or new to the school district, we welcome you. I'm Joe Ernst, Superintendent of Washoe County School District, and we're excited to introduce you to all we have to offer. From our early education and pre-kindergarten programs that give children a strong start, to hands-on learning throughout elementary and middle school, every stage of your child's education matters here. In high school, students can explore advanced coursework, career and technical academies, and dual credit opportunities. Some even graduate with an associate's degree before earning their high school diploma. Whether your child dreams of college, the trades, or joining the workforce, Washoe County School District helps them get there. Our schools are safe, welcoming spaces where students are supported by devoted educators and staff who care deeply about their success and well-being. Washoe County School District is proud to be the preferred choice for public education in Northern Nevada. There's something for every student here and an opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive. Thank you for choosing WCSD. We're so glad you're here, and we can't wait to see what your child will achieve.